Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Here is a quick little module read on the bench, and well, made a mistake. You know, sometimes you just got to admit when you're making a mistake. Well, I think I did anyway, because I've got a 2018 Hyundai Tucson, and the ECU was bad in it, so the Improperly I got now, I actually purchased a programming session, I'm going to call it, and I actually programmed this module, and I was wondering, well, the VIN number never came up, so there's no way of correcting a VIN on these modules. So basically, in a nutshell, don't make the same mistake I did and get used computer. The used computer will have to be read through an interface that supports reading them on the bench, and you've got to change the VIN number. So here is the flash. I already read it. I'm not going to go through that. This is beside the point. If you're looking for a tutorial, I guarantee you I'm not the guy to ask, but there is actually the VIN number that came up on the scan tool. As you see here, it comes up in two different places. It is basically from here. Let's do this again. From here to here. You can't make a mistake on that one. Okay? So that's including the 0 as well. Yeah, there we go. Did this wrong, so doesn't matter anyway. So the KM and all that is correct. I'm going to show you. Yeah, hang on. Some of the information on my notepad here is actually Ninja business. So I'm going to open up a new note here, and let's. Let me do this. So this is actually the correct VIN number, and as you can see, they are similar, but the year model is different. This is off of a 2016, which the module works fine, and the programming is fine, but the VIN number will never be corrected on the scan tool. I guess it takes the Hyundai software to even do that. If it can do it, I don't know. I'm not experienced with that. I just wanted to share that part. Don't make the same mistakes. The same mistake that I did, and plug in wrong VIN number. Okay, so, and the best thing to do here is to watch your hexadecimal numbers and make sure that everything corresponds real good. So here we got 00. Obviously the 4B here is our K, so if I go 4B, this is still going to be a K, and so on and so forth. So I'm not going to do it here. I'm going to do it right here, because I don't know the hexadecimals that respond to it. So we'll go, yeah, well, here's a mistake. Turn the caps lock on, be better. KM. Next one should be damn flies. That would be an 8. A J. My sticky note won't stay on top of this screen, so you got to keep that in mind, or I would leave that there for you to see. But anyway, let me get out of here and get this pulled over here. J3CA, so that's a 3CA. That is a 2X. JU. I'm taking my time. Y'all can say what you want. I'm taking my sweet time because it's not something you want to make a mistake with. A lot of these units, you got to open them up, and that'd be a crying shame. You open it up and you seal it back up, and you made a mistake. So that is not exactly good. I already programmed, since I can do keys and everything, I already programmed the key to this, so the key information is going to be good. And now that the VIN and everything matches, that vehicle should start perfectly fine. Anyway, continue on. 7, 8, 3, 8, 8. So that's the VIN number, and yes, you can paste that in there as well. I think. Paste the area. So there you go. That's proof that this can actually be pasted in there. So those are the 2 VIN slots. Now we make sure that this does not repeat in the rest of it. So anyway, I'm going to end the video right here. This is just to show you that I made a mistake. So that's what that video is all about. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.